How to delete YouTube search history permanently on PC. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete YouTube search history permanently on PC. Start by opening YouTube. Next, click on History from the left-hand menu. Then click Clear All Watch History and select Manage All History. Now click on Delete. Here, you can choose options like Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, or Delete All Time. Start by clicking Delete Today and confirm by selecting Got It. Next, click Delete again, choose Delete Custom Range, and select the specific days you want to clear. Finally, click Delete one last time and select Delete All Time. Follow the prompts and your search history will be permanently deleted. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.